Hey there, my friends. It's A Rival, and I'm here for an unboxing of my joystick. And here's my cat, Bonnie B. He is here to help along, I think. We're going to see what happens here. So, anyway, as you can tell, this stick is from Adark. It's the new LED stick. I don't remember the exact name of it, but it's in the description. And it's a nice, pretty reflective box art right here. It's pretty cool. So we're going to open it up. Crazy dude. Nice red packaging on the bottom. Bonnie B is going to take care of that for you. So, anyway, so twist it around. Nice. There's Qanba on it. We got some Street Fighter-esque artwork over here. Not really sure what character that is because, not licensed or whatever. But it's cool. It looks nice. So I'll take the foam out. Bonnie B is going to eat this, or he's going to try to eat it. So he just attacked foam. Get out of here. Hold on 1 second. You want this foam, Bonnie B? Look at it, just attack it. None of that, Bonnie B. Want to jump for it? Bonnie B? Come here. Hey, Bonnie B. This is not good for you. Why do you like to eat this stuff? All right, all right.